Hello, welcome to the channel. If you'd like to see a simple, cheap, easy way how to stop oil leaking from the oil drain plug on your CT110, stick around, I'll get straight into it. I'm just doing a quick oil change after my recent outback trip on my little red dog postie. I thought it would be an ideal opportunity to show you what I do to stop oil leaking from the drain plug on my CT110. A simple, easy way to stop oil leaking from the drain plug is to use some of these bonded seals or doughty seals. They're not expensive, in fact they're cheaper than the usual crust washers, and they will stop the oil leaking past the threads on the drain plug. Very simple. Take the seal, push on and screw back in. Easy. Thanks for watching.